Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to add affiliate links to Wix website. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now we are going to open our Wix website and we are going to open our dashboard and it will lead us to our My Sites. And these are the sites that you've created. So you are just going to choose one website that you are going to choose to add an affiliate. So kindly select and click edit, and it will lead us to our Wix editor. So what we're going to do is we are going to allot a section for our affiliate, or if you've already done that, then you just use that section. And we are going to go to our affiliate link that we want to add. So you can choose any link that you want to affiliate with, any platform or any website that you want. You can also refer to Amazon and you can earn money for that. So for this video, I'm going to use my IM account in which I can earn money through selling photos. So I'm going to copy this URL and we are going to go back to our Wix website and we are just going to add elements and we are going to choose text, and in this part we are going to add a paragraph and you can write anything that you want here. So just click edit text and you are just going to highlight the word that you want to add your link. So highlight the word and click link. So you can add a page, a web address, a section or anchor, top, bottom of page, document, email, phone number. So we are just going to add a web address and we are going to paste the URL that we copied earlier. And then how does it open? You can choose new window or current window. So we're going to choose new window and click done. So once we click the word here, it will lead us to our IM website. Another way that we can add an affiliate link is we are going to click add elements and we are going to click embed code and click the HTML. So we are either going to add a code or website address. So we are just going to add the website address. So paste the URL and then click apply. And there. So you can also add a code if you want to. You can use a code here or a website address. So that's how you're going to add an affiliate link in your Wix website without creating another page for that. So I hope I helped you today and I will see you guys next time. Bye!